Yes, hello friends on the internet. I'm really happy to be here. And this is my GitHub. And today I just want to take you through this project I worked on. And as you can see, those of you who don't know GitHub is where we store our projects. So this is the one. And Edward Musuzi is one of my friend. He imports products from China. And most of you know him. He's always on TikTok. And this is what I managed to build for him. So I can just take you through quickly. If you can see, we have this. So here he has courses. For example, this one. I managed to log in as an admin, and I can just take you through how a course looks like for him. If you come here, you can see that he has like unlocked the secrets to building a profitable business by importing products directly from China. So this course, he shows you what the course consists of, and he has also the testimonials, those who have bought like things abroad and they have studied from his courses. So nothing much is here, because if you have paid and you've enrolled, this is what you see. Like you can start watching the course directly. So when I go back here to home, like he has also a number of things here. You can come and consult him. Those of you want to know how do you import things abroad, can I get this, all of that, you can just come and consult him here. So also I managed to add in for him a dashboard. Like he manages his portfolio, he comes and uploads courses, he sees like the total revenue, he sees the number of students who have enrolled, the number of students who are like studying, like everything. You can see all students, analytics, and all that. So most of you who have not, like who don't have portfolios, these portfolios, we build them for anyone. You can be a doctor, you can be a teacher, you can be a graphics designer, a videographer. This is something which is personal. You can just grab it by yourself and you start selling anything you're selling or doing anything you're doing. So I just want to show you the experience when you're not an admin. If you come here in the courses, I've logged out, you can just come here and buy. So this time round, I had logged in as an admin. You can see that we have this form here, and we still have like what the course consists of here. Now this time around, when you click here and add in anything, for example, a name, email, and the phone, they will give you a mobile money prompt, and you put in the pin, and you're done with buying the course. So it's very simple like that. So those of you who want to add in payments in your websites, you who want to get portfolios, you can just get me. My link is just down here. I can just put this right here. So when you click here, you can see this is my portfolio also. So you can come and contact me here, or you can just click WhatsApp direct, LinkedIn, TikTok, anything. You can just get me from there. The developers who want to learn how we integrated in the payments, I have a blog here. I just added it yesterday. So you can just come and grab anything for yourself. I have the courses, those of you who want to learn how you can, for the developers, and for my clients, you can come and consult me on anything. So I will not make this video very long for you guys. I would like to end here. I'm going to link everything in the description, and you go there and look at these portfolios. Maybe you can contact me and also get a portfolio for yourself. If you have a business and you want a website, you want a system, you want a mobile app, a desktop application, this is the right time. Thank you guys, and goodbye.